Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is July 22nd, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions, but I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Tesla closed up $1.61. That's 0.20%. Closed at 816.73. Post market, we are down by 73 cents at 816. So let's look at what this means on the chart. So yesterday, nice big green candle. Today, we pushed up higher. We went as high as 842. 36, but then we came down. So we see here a red candle and we see a longer wick at the top. So we are entering a consolidation phase a little bit. So it would have been nice, if we have had a couple of these big green candles, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it would have been great. But this is not what we are given. And this is fitting quite well with this upper channel resistance right here. So basically we broke outside of the channel, but could not close outside of the channel. We closed inside of it. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. So first hour of the day, strong day. We opened outside of the channel. We opened outside of it, went higher, but then we were stopped at 842. Then second hour, we lost everything we had gained. And then we stabilized on the support at 813. We still have a good stochastic over 60 on the 1 hour chart. This is just a regular pullback. That's fine. That's perfectly fine that we get that. We need to understand that the whole market is still a little bit in high volatility because of everything that's happening. Ukraine, inflation, and people have been talking about a crash, a big crash, the biggest crash ever. I'm going to tell you, we are going to see first that things come around. We are going to see it at the end of the day. At the end of the first day, we are going to see that things are turning around. We might not know that this is a crash coming, but we will know that things are turning around. Right now, we are in a bullish uptrend. There's no crash yet. If it's going to come, it's going to come later, but it's not going to come now. It's not there yet. Looking at the daily chart, from looking at the indicators on the daily chart, they're super strong. And yes, we finally got the two thumbs up for the 2 green thumb up for MACD. So that's the last thing that we had to get. Yes, obviously right now we are colliding with this resistance. We might pull down a little bit and that might affect some of our green thumb up. But it's nice to know that we have all of them, and it's been a long while since we had all of them. Yeah, MACD, the 2 lines above zero, this is 1 green thumb up. The second one was the crossover, which we got a long time ago. And if you look at it, when MACD crossed over, it was the start. It was just the bare start of the turnaround. It does not always work that way because sometimes MACD crosses over bullish and the stock is still going down. But in this case here, when we have a big drawdown, super hard, super low, then when we have the cross up, the bullish crossover for MACD, it usually means that we are going to get some momentum up. It does not mean that it might go far, but we are going to get something up. So this is going to be really interesting in the next few days and weeks. What is going to happen with Tesla? In theory, we should be doing this. But who knows what is going to. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link and other affiliate links. I'm going to wish you a great weekend. We are going to talk on Monday, unless you are a member, in which case we are going to have a discussion on Sunday. So thank you, everybody, and à la prochaine.